Hi, Cordia. A few people have told me about the Irish speaking cafe in Tala. So I'm already in Tala and finding my way to the cafe. Wish me luck. I finally found it, Cordia. Just in case you want to learn your Irish. That's like a perfect place for you. Now let's go in. So I was asking if it's okay I video myself. I'm documenting my journey. I don't know if you would like to be on my video, but
maybe not.
No, okay, no problem. So I want to order coffee.
Yep.
In Irish.
Coffee or what, like?
You have to talk a bit slowly.
No, cane size coffee and what, like?
What does it mean?
What kind of coffee would you like?
Boulom Café Le Bonye Coca.
Should I? Yeah. I'll get some cappuccino.
Huh?
Cappuccino. Latte.
Latte.
Yeah.
Latte.
Le Bonye Coca, yeah.
Yeah, Bonye Coca.
Yeah.
I got sugar.
Sugar, yeah.
Yeah.
Sugar, get on.
Little hall.
Le dul, no le on show.
Huh?
Le dul, no on show.
What does that mean?
For here to go.
Yeah, I learned that. I'm trying to gather the thoughts. Tog lats.
Yeah.
Le Bonnie Coca, yeah.
Yeah. Sha.
Shot.
Yeah. Then I also want kishka. Kishka.
Kishka.
Yeah.
Coca.
Coca.
Coca,
Okay.
yeah.
Coca. Grandma got.
Cane Coca.
Huh? Hey Coca.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cane Count.
Cane coin. Say it again. I'm
Cane
left.
Count.
Cane count.
Yeah.
Okay. Cane count.
Cane Count is which one?
Which one?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I say chocolate? Chocolate. And I want more large cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Count more.
More.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sha.
Hi love, good to talk to you. Walter Road.
Tomega more.
Yeah, I know that. But I was just giving you that if you want to take these with you as well.
Yeah, I want to. Why not?
Come on. Go hauling.
The hauling. I hear that a lot.
Yeah, so there is the price there.
How do you say it in Irish? Do you say Catty? I used to think it's Catty, not Egged Terim.
Irrigatorium.
Yeah?
Arrogatirum.
Arrogatirum.
Yeah.
I know what?
And then card is just quarter.
Corty. Okay.
Corty, yeah.
So cordial. I'm having my chocolate cake. I learned a few things today. Great Margaret.
People allowed it. Some little present from the cafe.
Oh, great Margaret.
Walter Road.
I'm excited. I learned how to say large. Large is more. I learned how to say takeaway, which is toglat.
Tashin, Gwelga, Tate Perda, Tashin,
What's English?
Berla.
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 Okay. Tashe Guelga. Tashe Guela.
Berla.
Bella.
Yeah.
Bella. Guelga. Bella. Okay. Goref Margaret. So I will try the Guelga, and if it doesn't work, I'll go to my plan B, which is Bella. English. I think I'm saying it there. Bella. Let me show you. Just Bella. Bella. Cordial. I got a lot of gifts. Look. A lot of gifts. Yay! I even got a newspaper. Look. All in Irish. I think I got this too. All in Irish. You should visit here to practice your Irish. I know zero Irish and I'm here, so you can do it. How do I say I look pretty?
Thank you, Holland.
Fucking Misha Gahal.
Yeah,
So you can say it about yourself and say, Tomisha Gahal.
Tomisha Gohale.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
Tomisha
Quite
Gohale.
beautiful, yeah.
Hi.
Now, can anybody translate for me? Bear bua agus banach.
Are you Irish and Irish?
Bear bua agus banach.
Something. Banach means like
Blessing.
blessed, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bear bua.
Yeah, Bill, I don't know.
Expression, Mr. Lost there.
Bua means
No.
wind. So,
Bua means Ban agus banach. Bear bua agus banach.
That's why no one in the country speaks Irish, not on public transport, not in like
well,
except for
that would
here,
be, I like,
or restaurants or shops around.
No, but I understand what he's saying. Like, a lot of people can speak, yeah?
yeah.
They just don't speak.
They just don't speak, yeah.
Do you get what I mean? Because I started saying the little things I know. I was like, dear Guicho, the guy
Yeah.
responded. I was like, and he
People like you
responded.
that
Yeah.
don't have, like, that are learning the Irish and then that are willing to speak it, it brings us back to
Yeah.
wanting to use
Yeah.
it, you know, which is good, like.
I want to order Caesar salad.
You want to see their salad.
Yeah.
And that is the one thing we don't have in the menu.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Everything else.
Yeah.
Like, I want to
You can
order
say-
coffee and I'm saying, what will you,
Yeah,
what will
like-
you suggest I take?
Yeah, you
I-
can say like, well, kind of what like there in bed or kind of what I'm good is fjär. What's the nicest thing on the menu?
Can you make it easy, miss? So
Yeah.
that I can repeat after
Yeah.
you.
So you can say kind of will
Color wheel.
on wood
On road.
is fjär on vehicle.
On road is fair bill.
On vehicle.
Oh, that's
What's the
long.
nicest thing on the? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's very long.
Yeah.
That would take me like 2 weeks to learn. Chiloga.
Shkaloga.
Skaloga.
Yeah.
Agus. Chicken. So what can I have?
You can
Chiloga?
have chips with like we could do like a ham cheese relish sandwich.
Everything you said, can you say it in Irish?
Yeah.
Can you say it again? Let me hear you.
Lever sugar's kosh on the Gwen Blossom. Yeah, Gwen Blossom. Chicken pesto, trotty.
Green
Like the horse.
green trimmer agus cosh mozzarella. Trotty green trimmer head cosh agus onion caramel.
Yeah, I'm dyslexic. So.
Girl, who are you?
Yeah, I'm dyslexic, so I'm so bad at reading.
Who are
Yeah.
you? Where are you from? Jesus.
I can't read.
That would take me ages. Okay, correct my God. It's on camera so I can go and grab it. I'll take a picture of this and I'll put it on slow play. I'm like, yeah, repeat. What did she say? So you see, when I learn like this, it brings it to life because I remember the laughter, the fun.
Yeah.
It's not like classroom, you know. With classroom, I just get like,
Board. So
Yeah, I know what she's saying.
what is this
Classroom,
saying?
yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
And I was saying 6 weeks I've learned a bit, like I can introduce myself in Irish, you know.
Yeah. So there you go, you have yourself. Once you know here, hello and goodbye.
I know hello and goodbye.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say I'm hungry though.
Ta upper storm.
Hmm?
Ta upper storm.
Ta okra some.
Orum.
Orum. Okay. Ta
Orum. Yeah.
orum.
Yeah. So ta upper storm.
Ta okra orum.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ta okra orum. So I want to get chips. Kiloga, agus, chicken and all these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Leather horse. Every time I speak Irish, I'm like happy, like
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So
but-
proud, like.
Yeah, it makes me happy for some reasons.
Anna Broads.
Hmm?
Anna Broads. Very proud.
On the birds.
Yeah.
I'm on the birds that speak Irish.
Agus Angel.
Hmm?
Angel.
What's angel?
Any drinks?
Coke. What's coke?
Just Coke.
Oh, we should get a word for coke.
Yeah. Yeah. You do it first. You teach us now.
Coke. I love your nails. How do I say I love your nails?
It's small on the mirror. Is it sir? Inge. Mirror's fingers.
Girl! This girl knows everything.
Well, yeah, well.
How did you say it? It's Bolum. It's Molum. Huh?
It's
Small
small
on the Inge.
Ingikin.
Indica.
Ingikin.
Like Inga is finger, but
Oh.
Indica is fingers.
Why do we say mirror then? Mirror is fingers.
Oh, nail, sorry. Indica is
It's nail and then fingers is mirror. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. What's hand? Is it love?
Love.
Love. Hand is love. I'm off today, so I was like, no, I'm not using today to sleep at home. I'm coming out. Yeah. It's nice to
And
be
you
here.
work as well, do you?
I work full time.
Oh,
It's us on Nigeria dorm.
oh,
Yeah. And my husband is Irish, so I have this fantasy that when I have kids, I want them to come out just saying, "Dear great mama." So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to learn this language.
No, actually, we were in the pub, me and my friend, and then a couple beside us were speaking Irish in the Abbey. Like, me and Keith were in the pub, and a couple beside us were speaking on Irish. Like,
Yeah.
in the pub, just chilling. I was like,
Yeah, people can actually speak it. I think the problem is they think they have to know they have to know the language deeply,
yeah.
like they have to know proverbs or the rest.
Yeah.
But I think like the basics will do, you
Well,
know.
I'm confident enough to say that I know about like 90% of Irish. Like,
Yeah.
maybe 100%
Yeah.
of every single thing. Or 90%,
Of course,
like,
you know it.
it's like,
Grab Margaret.
I'll try.
Noga. I'll have this for later. I'm heading back. Let's hope I not embarrass myself too much. You guys will be the judge of that.